We'll guide you through how to make and create a CV in Canva. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Using Canva is super useful as there's lots of different things you can go and edit, so I'll be guiding you through this. The great thing about Canva as well is that there are templates. You can click on the search at the top, and all you want to do is go and type in CV and go and search for it. And as you can see, we've got these templates. So we can click on See All over to the right, and you can start browsing through these and find one you like. Some of them will require the pro subscription to Canva, so you can go and get that if you don't already have it, but there will be some free ones. For example, I like the look of this one, so I've gone and clicked on it, and then what I can do is go and start editing it. So for example, I could go and click on the name at the top here, I can go and type in my name. So I can go and type in Rob, and then I can go and type in my surname, and I can go and adjust it so it then goes and fits. So I'll go and click, hold, and then drag it like so. Of course, I can go and change the photo as well. So I'll click there, and I can click on replace in the bottom left. And I've now replaced it with my photo, and so you get the idea. You can just go and completely go and customize this to yours. And then when you're finished, you can click on the share button in the top right. And what you can then do is go and click on email, or you can go and click on download. And what you can do is download it as a PDF. I'll click on download again. You'll get this pop up and you can then click on save to files, and you can then go and save it, and you can then go and share it where you need to.